Here we are in the Riviera Resort, one of Disney's newest hotels. So we've got a studio, preferred view studio suite, I think. As you come in, we have, there's a steam iron up there, extra pillow and blanket, lots and lots of space to store our clothes. Then there's a pop-up, what would you call that, clothes, somewhere to put your clothes, and a clothes horse I call that, but somewhere to store your suitcases. That's in the cupboard as soon as you come in. Then look at that light, absolutely stunning. Somewhere to hang your coats up, and then there's this little table as you come in. There's the front door and the little table as you come in. All our bags, we've just arrived this moment. Then we've got the bathroom, absolutely stunning. Oh, and look. I don't know whether you can see as well on the toilet paper, our Riviera Resort. That's a really nice shower, look at that. That's going to be stunning. Plenty of room in the shower. Plenty of room, plenty of towels, some lovely artwork. Absolutely gorgeous. Then you've got a dividing door here and a door there. So when you use the lavatory, you're going to have to close two doors at the moment, and that leads into a bath and another shower. Stunning. And what have we got? The H2O Disney Resort stuff there. A full-length mirror. So that's the front door again. And yay! Got a hairdryer in the bottom. Some more of the H2O stuff. Absolutely stunning. Then what have we got here? Microwave, a sink. Wow. Some plastic cutlery and plates. Teas and coffees. Oh, I've seen these. The 50th anniversary blended coffee. Oh, fantastic. Can't wait to try that. Ice bucket. Then we've got some more cups there. Bottle opener, tin opener. Lovely. The toaster. I can't reach it. Oh, I'm assuming there's nothing in there. Can't reach in there. And then down here we've got a waste paper bin, and look at that, the fire extinguisher, and some soap and toiletry, some more toilet paper, and in here a fully stocked, no it's not, fridge, and then a coffee machine. And look at this, Disney's Riviera Resort. Welcome Harris family. Absolutely fantastic. So in there, oh my gosh, look how cute that is. It's a bed. Our daughter will be staying there, sleeping there tonight. Then we have two chairs and a table. I love the lighting in here, it's really, really nice. Then there's the main bed, look at that. Fabulous. It has been thoroughly cleaned and everything, that's so cute, has come saying cleaned. And there's a Mickey. And then you've got the two side tables. And some more artwork, lovely. going back to the door. And then some storage. That's really nice storage. 2 of those. Disney One Day book. And then here is, oh, you've got some storage under the bed as well. That's where I'm going to put my husband to sleep if he annoys me. And then there is, I can't do it one-handed, but another double bed there. Oh, look at that. I can't do it with one hand. And this picture is it's got a couple of hidden things, like this is a car and there is the car off Cars, Lightning McQueen. Yeah, and then out there should be my family. The curtains have even got Riviera Resort. And then, oh, look at this view.
Good evening.
It's Pandy. Look at that.
Stunning, aren't you?
Pandy, we're home. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so cool. I think that's probably Topolino's there. But yeah, so the pool is still open. Furthest one there is still open. And there's a closer pool, there's a hot tub you can see down here. Not a lot of people around. But oh my gosh, what a stunning hotel. Disney's really outdone themselves.